Let's talk business processes and let's talk business improvements. Things that we can do to make our business everything it needs to be. Many of us get caught up in the day-to-day grind of our entrepreneurial efforts and our small businesses, and we forget why we came into it, which was to live our passion in a way that's going to make us a profit. And life gets a hold of you, time gets a hold of you, you get stretched in many directions, and you forget that nurturing your business, just like a baby, is important to make it grow. So continue on this video and I'll give you some steps to give your business the glow up and the brighten up and the automation it needs to become successful. And as always, if you enjoy my content, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. I'll be right back with you. Hey YouTube, it's your girl, The Real Teddy Talks, educating you daily on entrepreneurship, your hustle and your grind, and building generational wealth. Let's talk about business improvements that we can make when business is slow, when we're stuck at home in a global pandemic, when you just know that there's some things you need to do and you have the time to do it. As I said in the intro, I think as entrepreneurs, we all want the same thing. That's to live our passion through our business, help people, and make money in the process. But many of us get stuck in the rut of business owning and working. Then we're attached to this grind mentality, right? Like I say, hustle and your grind in the beginning of my intro, but the grind mentality isn't meant to replace your happiness and make you lose your passion and to make you resent the work you're doing. We have to take a step outside that work bubble and evaluate our businesses from the outside looking in to find some improvements, and then step back with a new mindset and a new light and a new plan, potentially. The list I'm going to give you today is just a sneak peek of this deluxe checklist I have on my website, the 365dayexitstrategy.com. This checklist gives you a step-by-step guide on how to improve business processes and brighten up your prospects, brighten up your profit, brighten up your revenue, and to brighten up your digital marketing materials, including your website, business cards, logos, etc. So I'm going to go over a quick 5-step list, but if you go to my website, 365-day exit strategy, you'll find the deluxe list, and I'm actually going to bundle that checklist with some other checklists I've created. So only for about the next 2 weeks will you be able to get it for free, just a free download. It'll be a service in kind. You give me your email address, I'll give you the checklist for free. But in a few weeks, I'm going to bundle that as part of a sold package. So get it now while it's free. So let's go over 5 ways to glow up your business. The first is email marketing. I came into this game knowing that email marketing was going to be a necessary ingredient in success. So I tried out a few email marketing companies, Constant Contact. I've done MailChimp, and now I'm on ConvertKit. I like ConvertKit. I'm using the free version right now, but once you hit certain mile markers, then you have to start paying for it. Just like with Canva, I've mentioned in early videos, people use the free version indefinitely and get kind of frustrated that they don't have access to all the stuff. Well, when it's only like $10 a month, $12 a month. For something like Canva, I think it's a great investment. But ConvertKit is a little more pricey than that, depending on how many emails you're collecting. But remember that every email lead you get is a potential sale. So invest your money wisely, but email marketing is golden. Your email list is one of the only things you can own as a business owner that no one can take away from you. And no one has all part ownership of it. You're not paying a monthly fee for it, nothing like that. All those emails on that list are yours, and it's your key to start over if you ever had to start over. If you haven't started an email list and you're not using email marketing program or software, I highly encourage you to do it. Use that email list to give away goodies like I'm doing with this checklist, to let your customers know of events that are coming up, freebies they can have, discounts they have access to, early access to things. I mean, you can make your email list what you want it to be. You can talk to your customers as little or as often as you want to, but you need to let them know you're alive, you're thinking of them, and you care about the fact that you have their email and you want to reward them for that. Plain and simple. The second step to glow up your business is thinking about how you market your content. Social media is big. Hey, I'm on YouTube, right? Start yourself a YouTube channel. Get yourself on TikTok. Get on Facebook. Get on Instagram. Start a blog. Start a podcast. Do something, but you have to market your content. Very few of us, unless you've amassed a following, right? You need an audience. And if you don't have an audience, you must build the audience. So you have to do the work to get the people there. And then once the people are there and they love you, they will buy from you. But you have to do that. You have to market your content. People need to know you. They need to know your brand. They need to know your colors. They need to know your fonts. And when they see that thing, even if they don't hear your voice, they know it's you coming on the screen. And they know they're going to get something good if they tune into it. So provide value. The third way to glow up your business is stop being selfish. You cannot have it all to yourself. Consider joint ventures and affiliate programs. There are so many people out there that are trying to sell their product in addition to you selling your product, and you two can link up. Find a business that either offers something similar to what you're offering or can complement your business. Link up with them and do a profit sharing arrangement. It definitely doesn't have to be 50-50. It can be 90-10 or 10-90. Whatever it is, you guys work out the deals. On my website, I actually do have a legal bundle. It's not live yet. I think it'll be live in about a week, where I have some templates for certain JV, joint venture contracts, for freelancing contracts, independent contractor contracts. So all of that to help you build your JV. So check out 365-day exit strategy in about a week and get your legal bundle there. But teamwork makes the dream work. We say that in the Air Force all the time, and I'm going to say it now. You have to link up with people that are headed in the direction you're headed, and you guys can feed off of each other in a great way and provide value and content together. The fourth way to give your business the glow up it needs is find new ways to sell. Don't be stuck in that traditional thing you've been doing, and whatever it is. I don't even know what it is, but if you've been doing that one thing, and if it's really, really working, maybe you don't have to change it. But I think we all can innovate and we all can change it up a little bit. So don't be afraid to do that. I started a Facebook business page. I hadn't been on the Facebook business page side, and it immediately was asking me how to promote it and pay for these ads. And I'm like, whoa, I'm not there yet, but it's amazing. There are so many avenues. You have to pick the avenue that works for you. Do your research, watch your YouTube videos, whatever you need to do to figure out what's going to work for you and start making that sale happen. And the fifth and final way that I'm going to discuss today to give your business the glow up it needs is manage your time and your business processes. Whether you like to write things down by hand in a journal or a planner, I use a planner I love. It's called the Savor Beauty Planner. I'm actually just became an affiliate for them, so I'll do a separate video kind of promoting that wonderful planner. But and I think I can put a link in the description box as well for the Savor Beauty Planner. It's a 90-day planner that helps you get the job done, step by step, day by day. You don't have to start on any particular day. You don't have to delay your start to the first of the month or whatever. You can start at any point. But it helps me organize my tasks, write things down. I'm a list maker and crosser, outer, and checker. I like to see it. I like to physically cross it out so I feel like I've done something. But I also use software packages. My old favorite was Trello, and my new favorite is Asana. I use both of them. Trello also has some stuff I use. I love Asana now. It helps me manage my projects. When I work with my husband, he has tasks. We kind of link it up. Your time is finite and invaluable. Make sure you're managing it properly so that your business can get out of you what it needs and you're not stretched in a whole bunch of different directions, not really getting anything done. And that's all I have for you. Like I said, check out the 365dayexitstrategy.com and get your free checklist and see some additional ways to help your business become better. And that's all I got. Invest in yourself just 1% a day, have phenomenal results at the end of the year, and reach your exponential greatness. This is The Real Teddy Talks, signing off.